Nani bikore by'umuriro ekerense engima yali chingera litukolyo korusia manyinga lero yani World Blood Donor Day nige county ya Kisii boigo yali chingera litukeli asegetiye sukuru yabamura ya Kisii no moyega oikeranwa n'abaraibe sector yobocheno se county ya Kisii kubwaterana n'ikinyagitari ao boigo balia ba blood bank korwa Kisii abamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo basabirwe na gusegetwa ko bange okonya magima aso wanja korusi gwa manyinga buna kale gotomanye muri gitoke faningo bosire.
Give blood, give hope. Give blood, give hope. Give hope, give blood. Give hope, give blood.
Chitariki 14 mutinyo gatanu na rimwe kero mwaka nigo ensengima ekori chengeri tukolyo korusia manyinga yani World Blood Donation Day ekeri tukeri gari ya chengerwa sichinsemo ao nige county ya Kisii etatikara magega.
We aim at making sure that we don't lose lives simply on the basis of having lacked blood or blood products for those in need. So we hope as we move forward, the team that has been tasked with this noble activity will get the necessary support and carry out their duties with all the due diligence to ensure that we achieve the objectives as stated on this day's speech. Further, I want to thank all the donors who've been, giving this hope and indeed life to those who've been in need. And use this day to give a call.
Kurawana baraibo bochano ase county ya Kisii nigo moyega bokori chingeri tukeri gao chakera katikati yomo chobo songo anenas chabisi cha blood transfusion center yani blood bank habwa se band yara itara ya maseyemo wikasegetige skoro ya bamura ya Kisii.
As we commemorate this day of Blood Donor Day, we are here because of this special commodity. It's a red gold. You cannot go anywhere and get it. So it's a commodity that we are supposed to give freely so that we save life. So we are here because of the patients who normally get accidents, who are in the wards, and more especially for the mothers who are giving birth to newborns. So with all the love as we walk from here to Kisii School, ensure we create awareness to everyone so that we may be able to donate blood and save life.
Nonya bange anene bari baikirana basa bwangu anchirana korusia manyinga nigo basemi banyarako bokorugwa na anamono gokwanira obuyabo korusiwa manyinga asabange basa bogutarigereri obubebwoka ekero ekerengekane kiarengo korusia manyinga koruogo semeria naboigo kuyakonya amagima.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you everyone who has come here, and let us be together for this exercise because we are saving life.
Na kwa miezi kadhaa sasa tumekuwa tukishirikiana na shirika hili la Blood Bank katika eneo hili letu la Kisii. Na katika siku ya leo kama hospitali tumeona kwamba tukuja kwa pamoja kwa minajili ya kuweza kushikana na kuhakikisha kwamba tumetafuta hii bidhaa ya damu ambayo ni ya muhimu kabisa katika wagonjwa wetu. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo nawahakikishia kwamba hospitali yote ya Kisii tuko hapa kwa minajili ya kuweza kushirikiana kwa pamoja.
Kurwase ya BC ya county ya Kisii ni Governor Paul Simbarati abakirambya mono bonsi bari beso kiri tukuria rero ekero bari abataika basabira gutara kinyagitari erikurwa manyinga gokonya magima.
The medical practitioners in the county government of Kisii and those serving in the national facilities always are devoted to make sure that lives have been saved through the services that they always render. The government of Kisii, led by His Excellency, the Governor Paul Simbarati, and the Department of Health, are here in full swing to make sure that the lives of people in the Kisii community have been saved. So Governor has said hi to all of you, and he has really thanked the donors today, and he has said always that should be our motto, to save lives. As members of this community, and indeed we search ahead to make sure that we have given 1.234 to save our people.
nigo baiga borokia na borokiwa kurase skuru ya Kisii banyira ko bakwenyorera ebyewa ao kubatikana no kubatirana okuya.
There's no greater way of saving lives and an easily accessible way of giving one's own life to save others as it is exemplified when donating blood to someone in need of that blood.
Let us make an effort of becoming at least a donor to help patients so that we can move together.
We are here because of the common patient. We are the advocate of the patient. That's why we are here today. The patient is supposed to receive blood. That's why we are here.
Once bari babere bakubatirana na sekta y'obukino se county ya Kisii anene nyagitari ya KTRH na boigi ya bisi ya blood bank ni kubanyera ko babagwakirwa mbya mono abwa sigita sinigita TV gitatiko magiga anene ikikyaberege kubwatirana gusirana ne wizara y'obukino se county ya Kisii.
But also appreciate the partners who've continued to support us throughout this demanding journey. So special mention to Etaya TV for the coverage.
Kefanengo Bosire, Etaya TV.